Okay, guys, we have our couple of Valentines, and then we're going to do a couple of Easter things. First of all, y'all have seen me buy the wooden wreath. I also bought the wooden rose and wooden paws. Now, I put the names on them, and now I'm sorry I did. So, but anyway, an idea. So I'm just taking my Dollar Tree red don't know why I still have them on vinyl, and I'm just going to trace that with my nail. Okay, when you're done doing that, you're going to do that for the whole paw. And then you're just going to cut it out. Just make sure you're getting as close to the inside edge as you possibly can, so you'll have a clear cutting path. And I'll come back and show you. There you go. I made my crisscross bow. Used a tie from Dollar Tree, the glitter ones, tinsel ones. Put the center in there. You could also use a Dollar Tree stick-on chalkboard tag, or the tie-on. Tie that up there. Put the doggy's little name on there. But yeah, that's for my little girls. Not sure how exactly I'm going to do that yet, because they're bigger than I thought they were. I had bought the wreath separately, then bought the paws, and thought I could get two. But nonetheless, cute idea. Okay, I did this wreath with the rhinestones all the way around. Of course, I have some debris stuck under there. Just wanted to show you. Dollar Tree has pearls that you can do this. You just pull off the strips, and rhinestones. And then we have rhinestones and pearls from Dollar Tree. These are all from Dollar Tree, guys. This is not. This was an iridescent one. I did do two different sizes by accident. Started pulling them off. Once you pull them off, you got to do it. But anyway, I did want to show you that I'm just sticking them end to end to the top. I mean, it does require a little finesse, just a little, to get that in there. All right, and you guys know the Dollar Tree bows, and it's just a very simple, but I think cute, elegant. Of course, you could put any number of things on there. Like I said, the pearls, the rhinestones and the pearls. But I just thought that was kind of simple and elegant and neutral. Here's some ideas, guys, to do with the, kind of made a mess here. With your simple, elegant rhinestone wreath. Just add like the white on the bottom with a, I used an iridescent tie. But yeah, make it like a spray. They have these at Dollar Tree in red with roses and hearts and little baby's breath. So I've just been overlapping them, but you could definitely cut them. You could wire this up with floral tape or wire. Put a little embellishment in there. I'm going to leave this attached, but just give you the idea. You're just bending it in the shape of a V on the bottom. Put a nice big bow there. They also sell these in all red, if you don't want the simple elegant. And they also sell these, guys. They have them in multiple colors, but for Valentine's, I'm sure they have red, pink, gold, silver, maybe even white glitter. I'm not sure. I know I have several of them here, but not all out at the moment. But anyway, all kinds of cute, simple ways to embellish that and have a very simple, very elegant, sweet little Valentine's wreath. Here we are with our bunny wreath. It's just a foam wreath with a Dollar Tree fur wheel cover. Well, I guess it's really velvet. It's not fur, but it looks bunny-like. These are skewers and the Dollar Tree dusters. They have a little tab in the back. You can feed this skewer through, stick it in through here. It will go in through the wreath into the styrofoam. And then that's obviously, you could do it that way with just a bow. Show you, Dollar Tree is selling these, which you could put at the bottom, or you could do the blue inside the ears. Set that on the bottom, glue it, tie it, whatever. Just wanted to tell you, I use Dollar Tree petals for the pink. I don't have pink because y'all know I like turquoise. So that's why we have the blue bunnies and the blue bunny butts. But I do have pink and blue in the Dollar Tree ribbon that I made the bow with. So there you go. You could put the bow up top. You could do any number of things. Please like, subscribe, and share. And I will see you on the next video. Have a good day. Bye.